Learn English with Om Nom.
Yeehaw! Well, howdy there, partners. It's the candy bean tree. Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Yes, you are in the desert. What's that? It's a candy bean machine. Shall we get one? Look! A gold coin! Now remember, Om Nom, you had a candy yesterday, so give this one to Om Nelle. Here it comes! Yes! A candy! Only the one, though, Om Nom. Now remember, it's Om Nelle's turn. Give it to her. It's Om Nelle's gold coin, so she should keep the candy. Oh dear. Om Nom, don't be mean. Let her keep it. Come on, Om Nom. Give it to her. Oh dear. Quick, run! There it is. It is growing something. What's that? Yes! It could be a candy bean tree. Good idea, Om Nom. Putting water on things makes them grow. For some more. Excellent work, Om Nom. Watch out! Oh dear. Never mind. Look, Om Nom, it's a gigantic candy bean tree! Yes, you're going to have to climb it. Go on, you can do this for your best friend, can't you? Good job, jump, 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 jump from one leaf to the next leaf and reach. No, Om Nom, give it to Om Nelle. Remember, it was her coin. Give it to her. Good boy, Om Nom. You are a very good friend. So that's what it means to be kind.
Red, blue, orange, green, apple, blueberry, orange, bear,
Find an apple with Om Nom. What is Om Nom looking for? An apple! Wow! Where did it go? Keep looking. Om Nom is falling! Whoa! There it is. Om Nom is chasing. Uh-oh, Om Nom is crawling. Om Nom is jumping. Go C. Carrot. D. Dragon fruit. E. Egg. F. Fan. G. Grapes. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Jelly. K. Kiwi. L. Lollipop. M. Mango. N. Nest. O. Orange. B. Bear. Q. Quill. R. Radish. S. Strawberry. T. Tomato. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W, X, Y, Z. Watermelon. Xylophone. Yacht. Zucchini. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Red. Purple. Cyan. Green. Pink. Yellow. Red. Cyan. Green. Pink. Yellow. Subscribe. Click to watch more.